Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to associate Google account with a device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, locate your Google Play Store app on your mobile device. This app comes pre-installed on all Android phones. Open the Google Play Store and then tap on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right of the screen. If you want to add a second Google account to your device, tap on the arrow next to your name. This will show a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, select Add Another Account. The app will check for available information, ask for your mobile PIN, and then prompt you to enter your email address and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be returned to the Google Play Store interface. Now, you can switch to the new account by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Just click on the other account you want to use, and the Google Play Store will switch to it. You can now use the Google Play Store with the newly added account. So that's basically how you can associate Google account with a device. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.